In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make to automatically update Airtable. Whether you're trying to streamline your workflow or just make your data management a bit more efficient, automating updates in Airtable can save you a lot of time and effort. First, we're going to navigate to Make and create a new scenario. Think of a scenario as a sequence of actions or steps configured to achieve a specific result. Once you're logged in, look for the option to create a scenario, usually located on your dashboard. Click on it, and you'll open up a blank slate to start building your automation. The next step is to add a trigger to your scenario. In automation terms, a trigger is an event that starts the whole process you're setting up. It's like the starting signal for a race. In this case, your trigger will involve Airtable, which will begin the series of actions. Now, you'll need to select Airtable as the service you're going to work with. This action will connect your Make scenario to your Airtable workspace. Within Make, browse through the available services and choose Airtable from the list. This connection is crucial as it props up your entire structure for data updates. Once Airtable is selected, choose the action Watch Records. This option tells Make to observe any changes or updates occurring in a specific Airtable record. It's like setting up a security camera in your workspace, keeping an eye on everything and noting when changes happen. Next, it's time to connect your Airtable account to Make. Follow the prompts to log in or authorize access. This step ensures that Make has the necessary permissions to update records in your Airtable account. After successfully connecting, add an Airtable module in your scenario. Think of modules as building blocks or pieces of a puzzle that come together to form your entire setup. The module here would specifically connect to the Airtable service, allowing you to execute further actions on your data. You're now ready to add an action, specifically the update record. This step is where the actual updating magic happens. You're essentially setting up the instructions for each time a watches record event occurs. Select the specific table and record ID that you want to update. It's like choosing which puzzle piece you're going to alter. Navigate through Airtable to decide the exact record and table that require updating, keeping in mind what information needs to change. The final setup involves selecting the field you want to update. Specify the parameters related to the update and the relevant data you wish to change. Details matter here as it ensures you're updating the right field accurately. Once everything is set up, the last thing to do is run your scenario to check if everything's working as planned. By running it, you can see if your scenario correctly updates the field, ensuring that your automation works seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Make scenario to automatically update Airtable, streamlining your workflow and saving yourself valuable time.